If you want to invite friends in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the invite option, how to copy your referral link, and how to share it with friends in just a few seconds. This is a super easy process, but if you don't know where to look, it can be a little tricky to find at first. So follow along carefully, and by the end, you'll know how to invite friends in CapCut PC without wasting any time. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC and wait for the home screen to load. Once you're on the main page, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll want to scroll your eyes toward the lower part of that left-hand menu because that's where the invite option is located. Depending on your layout, it may be near the bottom, so don't rush past it. Now click on Invite Friends. This will open the invite page or pop-up where CapCut gives you a unique referral link. This link is what you'll use to invite other people to try CapCut. Once the invite page opens, look for the option to copy the invite link. Click Copy Link and CapCut will save the referral link to your clipboard automatically. After that, you can paste it into a message, email, social media post, or anywhere else you want to share it. Send the link to your friends and invite them to join through your referral. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can find the Invite Friends section in CapCut PC, copy your invite link, and share it with others. This is a simple way to help friends discover CapCut while keeping the process fast and easy. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful CapCut tips, shortcuts, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.